Zeno Education Society, redefining excellence.
Hello guys, and my name is Ray Santosh Pawar, and today I'm gonna present to you PowerPoint presentation on manufacturing process. And my team member names are Kaya Vaibhav, Savam Sakre, Sarthak Kad. And this project is done under guidance of Professor Vishal Sirsagar sir and Ekta Mehta ma'am. Let's begin with the micro project.
In this video, we are going to discuss what are the fabricator types of keys. First of all, we see the content, such as introduction, function of a key, types of key, design criteria of a key, and last one is application of a key. Now see the introduction. Key is a part of a machine or equipment where it is used to connect the rotating machine element to the shaft and enables to the torque transmission. And it's available in different types. Function of a key. There are two main functions of a key, such as to transmit torque from the shaft to the hub of the mating element, such as the pulley, gear, etc. And second function is to transmit relative motion between the shaft and mating machine element. Types of key. They are divided in 5 different types, such as sunk keys, saddle keys, splines, round keys, and last one is a tangent keys. Now we see the in detail. First type of a key is a sunk key. When a key is provided with the half portion in the shaft and the other half portion in the hub, then the key is known as the sunk key. Again, sunk key are divided in 6 subtypes, such as rectangular, square, parallel, Woodruff, jib-headed, and last one is a feather-headed. First type of sunk key is a rectangular. Rectangular sunk keys are shown in the figure. They are the simplest form of a machine key and may be either straight or slightly tapered on the one side. The parallel side is usually fitted into the shaft. Second type of a sunk key is a square sunk key. It is the nothing but having the square cross section. In this type, width and height are equal. The third type of a sunk keys are feather-headed. This type is used where a component slides over another. The key may be fastened either to the shaft and the keyway usually has a sliding fit. Second last type of a sunk key is jib-headed. Jib-headed are ordinary sunk key tapered on top with raised head on the one side so that it's removable easily. Last type of sunk keys is Woodruff keys. Woodruff is a form of sunk key where the key shape is that of truncate disc as shown in the figure. It is usually used for shaft less than 60 mm diameter, and it is widely used in machine tools and automobiles due to its advantages, and they are usually made up of steel material. Second type of key is a saddle key. These types of keys are rarely used because they cannot transmit high torque. They are classified into two types, hollow and flat. Flat saddle keys, as shown in the figure, is used for lightweight because they depend entirely on friction for the grip. The sides of these keys are parallel, but the top is slightly tapered for tight fit. These keys have half of the thickness of sunk key. Second type of saddle keys are hollow. Hollow saddle keys are shown in the figure. It is very similar to the flat keys except that the bottom side is concave to fit the shaft surface. These keys are also have a friction grip, therefore it cannot be used for heavy loads. Round keys. Round keys are circular in a section and fit into the holes. The round keys will be placed half portion hole in the shaft and the other half portion hole in the hub as shown in the figure. These types of shaft keys are usually prepared for low power drives. Second last type of keys are tangent keys. Tangent keys are used in a heavy duty equipment. These are actually in a pair. This pair of keys are placed right angle to each other and tangent to the shaft. Last type of keys are splines. Splines are used in the special applications like where we have to transmit the torque larger in a portion than the shaft size. Design criteria of a key: power to be transmitted, tightness of fit, stability of connection, cost, crushing failure, shearing failure, And the last one is material of a key and shaft should be the same, but the key should be weaker than the shaft. Application of a key. Sac key are used for heavy duty operations. Rectangular keys are used for preventing rotation of a gear and pulley on the shaft. Jib-headed keys are used where the key to be removed frequently. Feather keys are used in machine tools. Saddle keys are used in low power and light duty operations. Round keys are used for the power drives. Splines are used in the special operations, like where we have to transmit the torque larger in a portion than the shaft size. Thank you.
Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.